Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm showing some exercise how to copy, monitor the levels and how to create the levels. So here is the 3D view. You can see one of the 3D view of the architectural linked model. So in my previous videos, you can check the how to link the models and how to create worksets and everything. So this is the big plan. So how we can actually take the copy monitor all the levels. So you can see here all the levels: ground level, road level, podium levels. A lot of levels are here. Okay, so how we can copy monitor this one? So I'll show you. So first we need to go to collaborate, then copy monitor, use the select link, then select the you can see it was highlighted like blue. Then select the link, then you will be get a draw panel like this. Then just click on copy, then you can go to multiple from here. So this is actually an electrical uh, templates. I use it. The from that I am linked the model, architectural model. From that you need to copy monitor this all the levels. So I just need to click the multiple, then drag like this. This is a big file, so that drag like this, or right side or left side you can drag it. So it was selected. You can see it was selected in the blue highlighted one. So you can see all things are highlighted. Then what you can do, you can just we just need only the levels. So what we can do it, you can go to the filter selection from here, then check none, only the level you need to copy it. Just copy the level, then apply. Okay, so 22 levels are copied. You can see it was copied. It's separately highlighted, that one in the blue. Then what you can do, we can just go to finish from below side. Then that was copy monitored, and then you can come to here, just give a finish again. So you can see it was copied. You can see it is selecting like this, and you can move it that. Right, then you go to views, view from here, go to plan views, drop down floor plan. So whatever floors levels you copied, it will come up over here. So you can all this level select all this level, click OK. So it will create it over here, right? So if you are going to ground floor level, then you will be get the ground floor plan of the building. If you are going here podium, then it will get it over here. So if you need this one in the lighting, this is right now in the project browser. This is a project browser. In the project browser, all the levels are in power. So you need that one in lighting. So you can do one thing, you can just duplicate this one, right click, duplicate with the detailing. So one copy will generate. Then you can rename this one, give a level like ground floor level lighting. For example, I'm just typing lighting. I'm not going to each one of that. I'll just duplicate another one. Just duplicate with the detailing, and you are just giving the rename. Instead of copy, you are just giving lighting, right? Then two lights like that you can create up to roof, duplicate and do it. And then here is an option. If you click on lighting, then it was showing in the electrical plan, right? You can create template for lighting. Just click on this one and duplicate this one from here, like this duplicate. And we can give like a electrical lighting. Just give a new template for that. From that template, you can switch, you can give uncheck this view scales, detail levels, and even view range options you can uncheck it, and model display you can uncheck it. And here is the main part. This one is showing discipline, is showing electrical. Here you can simply give lighting, right? Then click OK. So what will happen, the ground floor lighting will go over there. And podium level also, here simply you click over here in the view template area, just apply. electrical lighting. So what will happen, podium also going there. For example, if you need to create a fire alarm or any other ELV systems, you can create like a duplicate with the detailing. I'm just creating only two floors, but other floors you can do it same way. And I'm just duplicate with the detailing, so that two copies are developed. So you can rename that one like a fire alarm, for other cable tray or anything. You just rename it. For example, I'm just deleting this one, and I'm giving fire alarm layout, fire alarm symbol. This is very simple, so I'm just giving next example like fire alarm that was created. Sorry for the caps, you can rename it that. Sorry, fire alarm. I'm just copying this one, fire alarm spelling is correct, alarm. Just copy this up to fire alarm, copied, and just rename this copied lighting layout. I'm just giving the fire alarm over here. Then what we need to do, we just need to create one discipline for sub discipline for it. Already we have lighting over here, power over here, so we don't have a fire alarm sub discipline. For that, you just click over here, duplicate again this one, just type like electrical fire alarm, fire alarm. Then just selected that one. Then what we'll do is the same you duplicated, so no need to do the things. And you can see here electrical is the discipline, so you can drop down, so electrical is the discipline. So we need to change the sub discipline, so we don't have a fire alarm over here, right? Then just type fire alarm, just type simply type fire alarm over here. So one sub discipline is created, then apply OK. So what will happen? Fire alarm discipline is sub discipline is come up over here. The podium level fire alarm is created. So other ground floor is here. So just click that one and selected fire alarm from the templates. So it's an easy way. So the same things you can duplicate all the things and you can do it that one. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It's related to AutoCAD and Revit tools and other. If you have any doubts, you can reach me through mail or comment in the YouTube description or commented box. So I will definitely reply on that comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks.